What's up, mga ka-financial Juan? Today, we will start a series called From Zero to Billionaire. It's all about the lives of inspiring entrepreneurs who started with little or no wealth and built multi-billion-dollar companies through innovation, persistence, and vision. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Welcome to our new series called From Zero to Billionaire. Today we're talking about something really exciting. How a guy who started in his garage became one of the richest people in the world, and what OFWs can learn from Jeff Bezos' journey. Imagine leaving behind your stable job, your comfort zone, and everything familiar to you. Picture yourself packing up your desk, saying goodbye to your coworkers, and stepping out of the office for the last time. Now envision standing at a crossroads, filled with uncertainty, yet driven by a vision that no one else seems to understand. Sounds scary, right? But what if I told you that this is exactly what Jeff Bezos did when he started Amazon from his garage? He left behind a lucrative career on Wall Street to chase a dream that seemed almost impossible at the time. Fast forward to today, and Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world. It's hard to believe that such a massive enterprise began in a small garage with just a handful of employees. Now think about this. What if you, as an OFW, could start something today that could change your financial future forever? Imagine the possibilities if you could create a business that not only supports you, but also provides for your family back home. What if you could build a venture that continues to generate income even when you decide to stop working abroad? The idea might seem daunting, but it's not impossible. Many have done it before, and you can too. Today, let's break down Jeff Bezos' journey and extract valuable lessons that can help you as an aspiring entrepreneur. We will explore the challenges he faced, the strategies he employed, and the mindset that drove him to success. By understanding his story, you can find inspiration and practical advice to start your own entrepreneurial journey. Jeff Bezos wasn't born rich. In fact, his early life was far from the luxurious lifestyle he enjoys today. His mother, Jacqueline, was just a teenager when she gave birth to him. She faced numerous challenges, balancing her education and raising a child. Jeff was later adopted by his stepfather, Miguel Bezos, a Cuban immigrant who fled to the United States alone at the age of 15. Miguel instilled in Jeff the importance of perseverance and the value of hard work. Jeff excelled academically, showing an early aptitude for science and technology. He went on to graduate from Princeton University with degrees in electrical engineering and computer science. After college, he worked on Wall Street, where he had a stable, high-paying career. But despite his success in the financial sector, Jeff had a bigger dream. He envisioned an online bookstore that would revolutionize the way people shop. This idea was the seed that would eventually grow into Amazon. In 1994, he took a huge risk. He left his lucrative career, moved to Seattle, and started Amazon in a small garage with just a few employees. It was a bold move that required immense courage and belief in his vision. Key takeaway: success doesn't require being born rich, it requires vision, determination, and the willingness to take risks. Jeff Bezos' journey from humble beginnings to becoming one of the world's richest individuals is a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. Jeff Bezos didn't start Amazon as the everything store we know today. He started by selling books because he knew it was a product people would be comfortable buying online. Slowly he expanded to music, electronics, and eventually, almost everything. Many OFWs hesitate to start businesses because they feel they need a huge capital. Instead of waiting to have millions, start small. Maybe an online sari store, a small food business, or a home-based service. What matters is having a long-term vision, just like Bezos. Leaving a high-paying job to start a risky business was not easy for Bezos. He was working at a prestigious firm, earning a comfortable salary, and had a promising career ahead of him. But deep down, he knew he wanted to create something of his own, something that could potentially change the world. But he did his research, prepared, and took the leap. He spent countless hours studying the market, understanding the risks, and planning his next steps meticulously. It wasn't a decision made on a whim, it was a calculated risk based on thorough research and preparation. He borrowed money from his parents, but he knew the potential rewards were worth the risk. His parents believed in his vision and supported him financially, even though there were no guarantees of success. This initial support was crucial in getting his business off the ground. OFWs work hard to earn money abroad, but many remain stuck in jobs for years, afraid to take risks. They often sacrifice time with their families and endure challenging conditions, all in the hope of providing a better future. However, the fear of failure can hold them back from exploring new opportunities. Instead of using your hard-earned money on unnecessary expenses, why not invest in something that can grow? Start with side hustles, test small business ideas, and explore different avenues. It might be daunting at first, but small steps can lead to significant changes. And once you see potential, take the leap. Trust in your abilities, seek support from those who believe in you, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards can be life-changing. Amazon's success came from one thing: customer satisfaction. Bezos made sure that Amazon always gave the best experience, fast delivery, low prices, and convenience. He even said, "If we take care of our customers, everything else will take care of itself." Whatever business you start, focus on your customers. Example: if you open a Sorry store, offer friendly service, fair prices, and quality products. If you sell online, focus on fast delivery and good customer service. Happy customers equal repeat customers, which means bigger income. Amazon didn't turn a profit for years because Bezos kept reinvesting the earnings. He focused on improving services, hiring great people, and growing the business. Many OFWs start businesses but spend profits too soon. Instead, reinvest in better equipment, marketing, or expansion. A small business today can become a big business in the future if you nurture it. Amazon started as a bookstore, but Bezos wasn't afraid to evolve. Today, Amazon has AWS, Alexa, and even drone delivery. The business world is always changing. Adapt and evolve. If you sell food and notice people prefer delivery, start offering online ordering. If you sell clothes, consider adding online selling via Facebook or other online shops. Jeff Bezos wasn't born rich. He started small, took risks, and built an empire. You, as an OFW, can also start today. Find your business idea. What problem can you solve? Start small but think big. Don't wait for millions. Start with what you have. Take calculated risks. Don't fear failure, learn from it. Focus on customers, keep them happy, and your business will grow. Reinvest and adapt. Keep improving, and soon, your small business could be your biggest asset. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time, today. Like Jeff Bezos, you have a choice. Stay in your comfort zone or build something great. The question is, will you take the first step?
If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more financial and business tips for OFWs. And comment below, what business idea are you thinking of starting? Let's inspire each other to take the leap toward financial freedom. This is Financial Juan, helping you turn hard-earned money into lasting wealth. See you in the next video.